Next up, Firearm Regulation for Phalanx. With this, we need to deliver 25 weapons to Vondel dead drops in a single deployment. You'll essentially kill a bot, pick up a weapon, dead drop, and do that 25 times. It's quite a chore, it's very simple to do, but we'll have to do it anyway. So all you need to do is find your way to a dead drop and drop a few weapons in it. Obviously, if you're carrying weapons that you enjoy, then you're going to have to leave them behind and dump them in the bin, or just leave them on the floor to pick up later. So we'll take the weapons that we want to keep and drop them somewhere, and the rest of the weapons will drop in the bin here. So we've already dumped one of them. Now we just need to do this again for 25. So I'll pick up this one here, put this other one in my backpack, and go back for it. Sweet, so putting 2 weapons in the dead drop there. We'll get another 2 here, place these in as well. It's a bit sad that this is in a gas zone here. There we go, we've already put quite a few in there. So I've got my teammates helping me as well. It's not too difficult, it's just a bit of a loss trying to carry all of these things back and forth. And there we go, that's already a handful done. We're at 11, so we're just about halfway. There's 1, 2, another one here, another 2 coming in. There we go, we're already at 17, so we're really getting there. But we seem to be running out of AI in the area, which is a bit sad. So we'll need to run a little bit further for the rest of these. Obviously, it's not the best, but that's kind of what we have to do at this point. Right, so we'll go ahead and ditch this weapon here. There's 1, 2, we're already at 20, so we're really getting close now. And there's a fresh delivery of new weapons here. So 2 more, that's 22, and even more reinforcements coming in. This is great. And there we go, a whole bunch of fresh weapons for us. Okay, so here we go. We're approaching the last few now. 1 more and then I'm done here. So I'll put this in my backpack and quickly drop it in the bin. Sweet, there we go. Now we should be done with this. Hopefully your dead drop won't be inside of a gas zone, so things should be fine when you're doing this. But anyways, that's really about it for this quick guide, so hopefully you found that useful. Thank you for watching, my name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.